Adding a first name to your Mailchimp audience allows for personalized email content and improved engagement. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Go to Mailchimp's website and log in with your credentials. Navigate to Audience. Click on the Audience tab in the main dashboard. Manage Audience fields. Click on Audience Dashboard and then Manage Audience from the drop-down menu. Select Settings and choose Audience Fields and Merge Tags. Add First Name field. In the fields list, look for the first name field. If it doesn't exist, click Add a field. Select text as the field type. Label the field as first name and assign a merge tag. Save changes. Click Save Changes to add the field to your audience. Update contacts. To populate this field, import contacts with first names via Add Contacts, Import Contacts. Ensure your import file includes a column for first names mapped to the new field. Personalize campaigns. When creating campaigns, use the merge tag to insert the recipient's first name into your emails.